Hey guys, Blake with Scorpion here to talk to you today about our black rubber crumb. It's available in quarts, gallons, and 5-gallon containers. Rubber crumb is a solid additive to add into your XO2 formulation for floor coatings and other areas where you want those non-skid properties available. Common applications include trailer ramps, trailer floors, boat docks, loading docks, and service and auto truck bodies. Common mix ratios for the black rubber crumb include a 25%, 50%, and 100% load, the most popular being a 50% load. To learn more about your mix ratios and adding this into your XO2 formulation, check us out at www.scorpioncoatings.com or give us a call at 1-800-483-9087. And remember, Scorpion, protect what's yours.